If your Elite display controller does not start, like in my case, please check this video. I recently installed this, but I found out that it doesn't run for my new screen, and I tried to troubleshoot where's the problem. Basically, the problem is that I have the laptop and I connect this and I make this views on the screen as a primary, and I have disabled the laptop screen, so this does not work when this happens. Whatever you do, run as an administrator or compatibility settings, it would not work. So the only solution is to go to display settings, activate extended displays, don't have them only as the views only as primary, activate both of them, so extended displays. As you can see now, you cannot see this, but you can see here that I have extended both of them. And after, run the display controller, because with this new version this doesn't work. Maybe if you want to install the old controller, please find a description below, the download link. Let me know if it doesn't work, and then install it. But for now, we're gonna show you the new version, how to run it, and if you do like this will work. You see, it works now. So that's the solution for this new version. If it doesn't start, I don't know why, but it must be somehow some error that doesn't detect it when it's by itself. Thank you for watching. Let me know in comments if you still have any problems.